Relationship between pointers and functions. Previous classes we have discussed relationship between pointers and one-dimensional array, relationship between pointers and strings, relationship between pointers and objects, etc. Today we can consider the relationship between pointers and functions. There is a close relationship between pointers and functions in C++. That is, we can use pointers as arguments in the function. We can use pointers as arguments in the function. That is passed by pointers. Here we can consider two methods for invoking functions, passed by reference and passed by pointers, because this passed by pointers is almost similar to passed by reference. By using normal function, we can return one and only one value. We can return only one value. But by using these two methods, that is by using pass by reference and pass by pointers, we can return more than one values. We can return more than one values. And also, whatever changes is happening inside the function is affecting the original data also. Whatever changes is making inside the function is happening to the original data also. That is actually the changes is happening to the address of the original data. That is why that changes is happening to the original data. We can first we can consider pass by reference. In pass by reference, formal parameters becomes reference to the actual parameters. That is, whatever changes is happening inside the function is affecting the original data also. Whatever changes is happening inside the function will affect the original data. We can consider one example program to interchange the value of two variables using pass by reference. See, hash include iostream.h, hash include conio.h. First itself we are starting the void main because this one is not an object oriented program. It is a normal program. See here, in this program we are using one function. Function name is swap. Swap means interchange. Function name is swap. In function, when we are considering the function, we need to consider function declaration, function call and function definition. First itself, see here we are declaring the variable. Same like if you are using a function inside the program, we need to declare that function. That is function declaration or function prototype. Then this is the function call, means calling that function. After that function body. Function body, this is the function definition. The actual function. This is the function definition. Okay. Then first itself we need to declare that function. Void swap int and comma int and. This is the declaration of the function swap. Here we are initializing a and b, a with 10 and b with 20. That is the value of a is 10, b is 20. That is the original values. Cout a means it will print 10, 20. A is 10, b is 20. After that we are calling the function swap. This is function call. This is the function call. Then after calling that function, we are printing the value a and b. Next we can consider this function body or function definition. See here void swap int and x comma int and y. This is the function definition. Here we are using the variables x and y. This is the formal parameters. The parameters or arguments in the function definition is called formal parameters, and in the function arguments in the function call is called actual arguments. This here A and B are the actual arguments and X and Y are the formal arguments or formal parameter. Inside this function, here we are interchanging that value X and Y. Here we are interchanging the value. But after interchanging, we are printing the value of A and B. Then here we will get 20 and 10. That is, first value of A is 10. After calling that function, we will get the value for A is 20. That is the value of A interchanged. A and B interchanged. Here in first cout it will print 10 and 20. But in here after interchanging it will print 20 and 10. That is actually the changes is happening to the some other variable. But that changes is happening to this original values because actually that changes is happening to the address of the original value. That is why the original value is changing. That is, see here in the function call there is no AND symbol. In function call there is no AND symbol, but in function declaration, this is the function declaration. In function declaration and function definition there is AND symbols. See here also AND symbol. In function declaration also AND symbol, but for this function call there is no AND symbols. Next, we can consider pass-by pointers. Here we are discussing the relationship between pointers and functions. That is, here we are using the pointers as arguments in the function. In pass-by pointers, address of the actual parameters are copied to the formal parameters. Address is copied to the formal parameters. Example program to interchange the value of two variables using pass-by pointers. First the header files iostream.h, conio.h. After that we are opening the main function. Here also function declaration. In function declaration there is which symbol? Pointer symbol, that is star symbol is there. In function declaration star symbol is there. In function call AND symbol is there, and in function definition star symbol is there. That is, in pass-by pointers, in function call that ampersand symbol, and in function declaration and function definition there are that star symbol or pointer symbol will be there. See here A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. Original value means it will print 10 and 20. Here we are passing the address of A and B. Here that address of, what is a pointer? Pointer stores the address of a variable. Here we are passing the address of this A and B. And in that function we are using pointers. This pointer will accept that address. That is, these pointers are used to store that address. These pointers X and Y are used to store the address of A and B. And here we are changing the variables X. We are inside the function we are using the variables X and Y. But after interchanging we will get the value 20 and 10. That is the value interchanged. That is, here changes is happening inside the function. What are all the changes happening inside the function is affecting the original data, because actually that changes is happening to the address of the original data. That is why it is interchanging and it is printing 20 and 10. Okay, in pass-by pointers, in function call there is which symbol? AND symbol will be, and in function declaration and in function definition there is star symbol. Okay, using this, in using the normal function we can return one value, but by using this pass by reference and by pass by pointers we can return more than one value. We can return more than one value, and also what are all the changes is happening inside the function is affecting the original data also. This is the, here this pass by pointers, that is the relationship between pointers and functions. That is in function we can use pointers as arguments. See here, this is a function. Here we are using the pointers as arguments. This is the relationship between pointers and functions.